Okay, so you have to, whenever you go on this page, you have this option of register now. Click register now. You have to log in using an account. So make sure whatever account you're using to register for Google Solution Challenge, you have its credentials at all times, and you're using this sole account every other place as well. So for this, I will use this. Uh, okay, so this is a lengthy process. You gotta bear it with me. Once this is done, you get to the page where you can do your registration. Okay. And I will just read along all the instructions. Once you submit the registration form, you will not be able to edit any entries. Please double check all information before clicking register now. This is one thing. And you have to create something called a Google developer profile. So the reason you are asked to create a Google developer profile is because Google developer profile allows Google to provide you with credits such as Google Cloud credits, or credits for your agent model, ML model, or more of those things. So in order for them to provide you with all those services, you need to have a Google developer profile. So we will just follow this instruction. A Google developer profile is mandatory for registration. If you already have a profile, simply submit your profile link in the registration form. If you do not have one, follow the steps. Visit this website. Okay, I will just not close this. I will right click and open it in a new tab. And I will go here. I have already used Google Developer Program on this account, so I have been logged in directly. If you have not, you will be asked to create a profile, and it's a simple steps, so you can do it yourself. Once that is done, uh, sign in using the same email address. You will use the hackathon registration. Yeah, this is like what I said earlier. Use the same account that you're using to register on the Solution Challenge website, and use that same account on the GDP Google Developer platform as well, Google for Developers platform as well. And once that is done, you complete your developer profile setup, which I have already done. And then make sure your profile visibility is set to public. So in order for you to do that, click on the top right corner. Okay. Oh, I have not created an account, I guess. I have to create this account. Wow. Okay, this is your profile. So in order for you to make your profile public, make sure your profile visibility is set to public. Click on these three dots, and go to profile. Once you do that, you will go here and click on settings symbol yahan pe. Once that is done, okay, this is not the one, sorry. Once you do that, you can change your entire profile from here. This will take some time. I don't want anyhow. Once you are here, just click on set custom web address. You scroll down and you see that right now my profile is set to private. What I have to do right now is set it to public. And once that is done, your changes have been saved. Type name, set a custom web address for yourself. In my case, I will just set it up as why can't I just what happens happening? Hmm. You can just set up any name, whatever you want, Muhammad Abrar, GDGC, MJCET, like just for the sake of it. I will not save this because I don't want to waste a profile. Okay, so choose a unique profile web address when you make profile, and you have to just make sure that you're using the correct name, which you want to use it throughout the solution challenge. Because once you change a name or save a name, you cannot change the same. You cannot change your web address for almost a month, which is like half of the duration of Google Solution Challenge. And you should not change once the Solution Challenge have already started. So once you do that, you save this. I will just save it. And if that's done, we are done with that. Then you enter your details, full name, email, phone number, date of birth. gender, alternative number, country names, all of these details. Occupation, as I have said earlier, only college students are allowed to participate. And then you have to enter college name, followed by your degree, stream, specialization, LinkedIn profile, college ID card, and many more. So this is these all details you should fill it yourself, and this is where I will help you. GDP public profile link. So the custom web address that we have changed here will be reflected once you go back and once you see here. So under your name, under your profile link, you will see this link. Copy that link and paste it at the GDP public profile link. And once that is done, you are done with almost 95% of your task. No, this is the next steps are something that is very important for you to get updates from your GDG on campus chapter. So if you have a GDG on campus chapter at your university, select yes and ask your GDG on campus organizer what your referral code is. In my case, for MJCET people, we have already mailed them their referral code. We will also share it tomorrow after this meet. And for other colleges and other universities, please do reach out to your GDG on-campus organizer and ask them what your referral code, what their referral code for the GDG hackathon is. After that is done, you accept terms and conditions. You accept this is optional. Accept that you can do if you want to, and then you click register now. Once you click register now, your account, your profile will be created on the Solution Challenge platform. Once that is done, okay, I will just go to, you will be able to access something called a dashboard. And this is my dashboard. And this dashboard is very helpful. See, this dashboard helps you identify what are the next things coming up regarding this hackathon. So right now, my registration is done, but the registrations are still open. It's open till 15th April. Followed by right now the team formation phase is going on. So in order for you to form a team, go to the team management section. You can either create your own team and ask your friends to join you, or you can actively look for teams in the public forum. Once that is done, what's the next thing? Once that is done, we have to submit a PPT. You can download your PPT's template from here and submit the PPT onto this platform again before the deadline. And apart from that, the best part about a hackathon like GSC, Google Solution Challenge, is that the guidance that we get is unmatched. And that is clearly reflected in the interaction section. So what happens is Google conducts these regular info sessions and seminars on the growing technology, such as we have already had one on anti-gravity. There was one session on discussing the problem statements and how you can go about navigating through this hackathon. So once you are registered, you will be able to access all of this. I think this is also public on YouTube. You can also see it from there as well. You're also given access on how you can redeem cloud credits for your prototype. And there are other more options. I would ask you all to navigate it and mess around and find what all options are here. And once that is done, that's how you all register.